So guys, starting here with the house tour, I mean, Amy found that house here. I mean, look at that kitchen. It's like our home. I'm completely so that I never had a house tour in our house. Maybe I need to do that as next. So I was working here as well from Valencia, and look that view that you have when you're working. Here's basically the TV room here. Just sitting down here and balcony one here as well. Amazing view here. We're in the middle of Daya. Here is at the beach and all the tools here. Yeah, actually I'm going on with the iPhone, doing the vlog with the iPhone because my GoPro somehow broke. The record button is not more working. It's a mess really. Anyway, very nice here. It's our room here where we are sleeping. It's a little bit a mess here. Don't look at that because we slept here. Very nice as well here. If you wake up in the morning, look at that view that you have. Really. All the toys, everything is here. Just bring everything in. Very, very nice. That's my bathroom here. And this is Amy. She's preparing, we're going out. And I'm showing you Amy's bedroom. It's always fun to show Amy's bedroom. And if you like, you have as well guest rooms here. Here are our clothes here. Yeah. See you in the city. Hey guys, entering now the Mercado Central. This is a must here in Valencia because I feed all kind of food that is incredible. And you can eat as well during lunchtime. It's very, very delicious. Look, guys, how much food you see here. Look at the nice architecture. You have here. All kinds of food. Here is Amy. Say hi, Amy. She's not saying hi to me. Just fruit, ham, jamon, spicy. Look guys, how much jamon, everywhere jamon. Look at this, so nice. Eggs, fresh eggs, fruits, everything. Look how nice here. Basically you can do everything yourself. Nailing, and I don't know the English word here. Basically everything. Look how nice that is here. Very beautiful. Look how nice. Will be some, I don't know what it is this weekend, but we'll record that. Something will be here this weekend. They doing everything, closing here the street. Yeah. Okay guys, we arrived in Alicante this time. Look how nice it is. Here, everything very nice. Yeah, walking around, staying around 2 hours here, then going back to Valencia. It's very modern city. Everything is pretty new here. There's very good parties. That's where the party goes on. That's during the days, only few people here. During the night, it's full here. It's full house. The old town is just beautiful. Maybe we are going here somewhere to eat here in the front. Yeah. Hey guys, walking now to the beach. Look how nice that is. Just walking over here. Just preparing something today. Market, whatever it is. I don't know. Let's see it then. Look how nice. Everybody's jogging here, doing some activities in the morning. Did yesterday as well. A few guys here, just boot camp here on the beach. It's just amazing. Very nice beach club here. Just take 2 chairs and an umbrella and basically go for it. And yeah, basically we have that apartment here. So guys, basics arrived. We have these 2 seats here. Look how amazing that is here. It's very flat today, the ocean. Just incredible. Porto di Valencia and from a big ship there. Wow. Amazing. Hey guys, just having your lunch. What are we on here? What's the name of this?
Cipirona.
Da Cipirona. Having some, what's this? Prosecco and I don't know what. Very delicious.
Sangria.
Sangria with Prosecco, yeah, correct, yes. Having that one and then you just ordered something else. Very good people here. Speak Italian here. Something new here, but that's good. And hey guys, just finished with lunch. Well, lunch, 4 o'clock. Wow, what's delicious. We'll post a link below here from the restaurant. This amazing, really amazing. Now going to the beach, back somewhere there.